Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. It is time for meal planning and wellness. Yes, my very, very dreaded two things in my life, but we're going to go ahead and try to make it fun, right? So let's go ahead and plan some meals. So, first and foremost, this is my meal planner. It is called Frosted Blooms, and it is a vertical classics happy planner. I am going to put my own stickers down and go from there. My 2024 lineup is coming up, so this planner is about to change 180, I should say, not 360. 360 is back to normal. Anyway, if this is your first time joining me, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so glad you guys are joining me today. So let's get going with this spread. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. I'm gonna fast forward this as always, so you guys are not stuck watching me for 4 minutes doing this. Okay, now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and add stickers as always. So this time we're gonna be using the brown notes. It is from Start Planning. I love these little sticker books, and this brown one has so much food in it. Lots of bakery items and sweets. So because of Thanksgiving week, I decided to use those. And then we're going to use something else on top to brighten it up because these are kind of dark and I can understand how it can be a little depressing. So we're going to go ahead and add some color to the top to brighten up the spread. But yes, so this is where I am going. But yes, I love these stickers. They are beautiful and amazing. If you have this book, you already know. Look at these flowers too. Oh my Lord. So I absolutely adore using this book. So this is the orange one, which is called Autumn. All four Autumn Garden or Fall Garden, something like this. Yes, and leaves match my hair. I know my hair is popping in here because I'm trying to get closer. Because you guys, I wear glasses on a regular basis, and I think my eyesight is going darker or whatever it's called, is worsening. So I added a whole bunch of leaves to the top to brighten up the spread, and I think that worked. I just need to add something to the Saturday Sunday area from the Brown Notes book. I add this girl because I love having girls in my spread, and we are all set to go ahead and do some of the planning. So as always, I'm gonna go ahead and make some dots with my zig pens and go from there. So orange this time because orange is the fall color predominantly. So that's what I'm gonna be using. And then we can go ahead and meal plan and then go from there. I love meal planning, you guys, and I love sticking to it because then my brain has so much less to think about. I'm like loving this whole meal planning thing because it's been a lifesaver. So let's go ahead and create all of this lovely thing. If you guys hear squeaking and barking, that is my puppy, the endless ball of energy. You guys, he is crazy, but in a good way. So, protein shake every single morning per my doctor. Not my favorite, but whatever. Lunch is leftovers. Dinner, let's decide something. Pork rice bowl. Sorry, my hair is in there. I know. Protein ball or protein shake, I should say. Leftovers again. So I work Monday and Tuesday, and then I should be off for the rest of the week. Free and clear. So should be okay. We're going to do vegetarian curry. We're going to do carrots and hummus for a snack because I love doing those. Then pistachios because I like those too. So protein shake, no surprise there. For lunch, we're gonna have a soup, butternut squash soup. I'm making that for dinner for Thursday, so that's gonna be made ahead of time so I can have a little bit of that because I love it. For the lovely dinner, we're gonna have leftovers from Monday and Tuesday so we can empty up the fridge for all of the Thanksgiving things. I'm gonna have an apple for a snack because why not? Protein shake again, no surprise. Then we're gonna have Thanksgiving at my parents, and then we're gonna have Thanksgiving at my boyfriend's family. So we have 2 Thanksgivings, you guys. My stomach is about to grow 5 sizes, so no snacks that day. So protein shake on Friday. We're gonna have leftovers. I'm thinking I should make something like leftover turkey tacos or something like that. I'm gonna think about it. Yeah, carrots and salami is usually good for a snack for me too. I really enjoy salami. I didn't realize how much I like it, but yes. Soup Saturday because I'm gonna still have to finish that, and grilled cheese maybe. Salad with chicken, stew. Yeah, I'm gonna make some stew on Sunday, so then the next week is kind of easy. Protein shake, veggies, and veggies. After all of that meat, I'm gonna want a veggies. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some things on a list I'm gonna need to get for the turkey. Turkey is already in my fridge or freezer, and it's gonna be transferred, but I need all of these other things like butter and salad and cream cheese and a lot of things. So I'm gonna make some lists because I really do enjoy making grocery list and not going to the store blindly, or even better when I can just pick up my groceries and not even worry about anything. With the protein shakes, you guys, we're going through milk like if we had a child. Yeah, I know. So garlic, onions, strawberries, because I really do like those and my thing. And for right now, I'm going to leave this be and we're going to go ahead and go into my wellness. So my wellness right now is the Nature and Nurture Classic Size Happy Planner. All of my planners are classic for one reason only, to Frankenplan. So I have these amazing stickers from Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop, you guys, and they are the bomb. So they're meant, I don't know if they're meant for Thanksgiving. I mean to use them for Thanksgiving. They're beautiful and different, and I am so obsessed that I needed to include her in one of these weeks of stickers because I have so many stickers and I'm like, what better than this, right? So again, my hair is popping in here. Sorry, you guys, it's a mess. I washed it and it's like all sticking 55 directions. I need to do it. Or wear a cap like some of you guys out there when you film. Okay, so first and foremost, amazing stickers. You can actually use my code of Kasha15 for 15% off. Her winter stickers are even better, you guys. I can't wait to use them and show you. So we're gonna do things in a little bit of a reversed way today. First, I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my checklist, and then we're gonna decorate after. So as always, the checklist and the boxes are from Jojo Plans. And no, they're not the same shop. So one is Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop, one is Jojo Plans. They're combined in this spread though. Look how adorable. Okay. One more. Okay, here we go. That's ready. Sticker time. So there's this beautiful sticker, you guys, that says, well, let's remove the lines though, because that's gonna bug me. Okay, so it says, a house is made of wood and stone, but only love can make it a home. Like, how cute is that? So I'm gonna use this other wooden construction right up here, but we have to remove the lines again. Yes, I go through massive amounts of correction tape. I know, you guys. Believe me, my budget also knows. Because I buy them in bulk. I'm gonna add some leaves in the middle because why not? Look how cute. Yes. And then I'm gonna get this big get cozy up here. Yes, my hair is also in the way. I know. Every time, if you guys are drinking while you watch this, every time my hair pops up, just take a drink. And then at the end, tell me how many drinks you guys had, because this video, it is mostly hair. And I don't know how to prevent that right now because I already filmed this. So, okay, give thanks. That makes sense. Choose joy also makes sense. I'm adding all the things that make sense right now, okay? Ooh, windows. I need windows. I don't know if they make sense, but I want windows. I a little obsessed with windows, you guys. Just a little. So we're gonna add this right here. Oh, it's crooked, but it's great. I think it works. A little peek into the outside. So now I'm gonna add some leaves because that's what I do. I wanted this to be so pretty and beautiful. So I'm gonna add tiny little things. By the way, look how much stickers I have left from this beautiful set. Like, I haven't even used half and my planner is full. Oh my lord. I know. So I'm gonna add more leaves because I want pops of color all over. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the dots as always. And we shall go from there. So, movement, meds. You guys, my hair is a mess and it's so orange, I know. Sleep. And then all the dots in the world. And yes, I'm making them pretty pale because I don't want to take away from the stickers. The stickers are making me so happy, you guys, every time I look at this. So that is all done. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys had fun. Let me know what you think about this one. And I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye.